Imagine biting into a rich, creamy dessert that instantly transports you to the bustling streets of New York City, a taste that is pure culinary history. It is a flavor profile that embodies comfort and indulgence, a true masterpiece of texture and taste that has captivated generations. When it comes to legendary New York City cheesecake, there are a few iconic bakeries that consistently rise to the top. Junior's Restaurant and Cheesecake, Eileen's Special Cheesecake, and S&S Cheesecake are often cited as the undisputed champions, each offering a distinct take on this beloved dessert. These establishments earn their legendary status through a combination of time-honored recipes, high-quality ingredients, and unwavering dedication to the craft. Junior's, for example, is famous for its dense, velvety texture and crumbly crust, a result of using premium cream cheese and a closely guarded baking process. Eileen's prides itself on lighter, airier cheesecakes with a variety of flavor options, often made with fresh fruit and natural ingredients. S&S Cheesecake, a Bronx institution, is known for its classic, no-frills approach, producing a perfectly balanced, rich, and tangy cheesecake that many New Yorkers consider the gold standard. To truly experience these legendary cheesecakes, consider visiting each location for a slice, allowing you to appreciate the subtle differences in their creations. Many offer convenient online ordering for nationwide shipping, letting you share a taste of New York with friends and family. When you are tasting, pay attention to the crust, the creaminess of the filling, and the balance of sweetness and tang, as these are the hallmarks of a truly great New York-style cheesecake. What sets these bakeries apart is not just their age or popularity, but their commitment to a specific style. The New York-style cheesecake, which typically contains heavy cream, cream cheese, eggs, and sugar, often with a graham cracker crust. Unlike lighter, fluffier versions found elsewhere, the New York style is characterized by its density and smooth, rich texture. It is a dessert that speaks of tradition and an uncompromising pursuit of perfection, a culinary art from passed down through generations. So, whether you are a local or just visiting, seeking out these legendary cheesecake spots offers more than just a sweet treat. It is an exploration into the heart of New York City's dessert culture, a chance to savor a piece of history and understand why these particular cheesecakes have become an enduring symbol of the Big Apple's rich gastronomic heritage.